Hey guys, it's Rylan and
Paisley.
And today we're making one big,
huge,
giant,
fluffy slime.
But before we get on to the video, make sure you guys give this video a big
thumbs up.
And make sure you subscribe to this channel to become a UniLander. Now let's get on with the video. To make fluffy slime, you will need some Elmer's glue, shaving cream, food dye, contact solution, and baking soda. First thing you need is your Elmer's glue. We are using a whole gallon of Elmer's glue. This is gonna be a lot of slime.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. Oh. Look how satisfying it is.
It's done.
Look how much glue that is. Okay. Next thing you'll need is your shaving cream. Since you have so much glue, we're gonna try and use all 3 bottles to make it extra fluffy. Okay, go.
It's so fun.
Think it's enough?
No, more.
Okay, so next you're just gonna mix the shaving cream and the glue all together. And if we need more shaving cream after this, then we can add more. This is just like to see.
I mix it.
Our spoons are covered.
Whoa!
Look how perfect though.
Wow!
Once you think you're done, you're gonna take your baking soda and just sprinkle it in. I don't know precise amount, I just kind of estimate. You can always add more, so don't use too much, I guess. Then I'll just stir that in. This is when you take your contact solution and just spray. If you use too much, it will get like hard and not like slime, so you don't want to use too much. Now we're gonna stir. Ooh, look, it's already making slime.
Let me feel.
No, don't put your hands in yet. It's not that done. You can just see it. It's starting to make it. Okay, I think I'm gonna take my hands in now. It's probably too early, but you know what? That's okay. Watch out, Pace.
This is a dirty part, everyone.
In case you were wondering what the contact solution does, it's also the activator, and it pretty much connects it all together and makes it like not liquid glue. I have no idea how long I've been making slime, but I love slime because I just love the feeling. It's also like super easy and super fun to make. It's just awesome. Like, I have a huge blob right here and done, sort of.
Oh, I got a big one. Blah, 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 blah. Smells like baking soda and it feels good. I'm good, more. Whoa! I just want to eat this slime right here. And I want my own too.
So after lots of arm muscle workouts of mixing this huge blob of slime, me and Paisley decided that ours are almost ready. I think we're just gonna keep them separate and do our own colors, and let's just do this thing.
To make the
I
color.
did 6 yellow, and I'm gonna do like 3 or 2 red. Cause I'm going for a certain color of peach. Pinkish peach. Mine's like beautiful. So here we are with our colors. I think I need a little more color, but Paisley's isn't even mixing because she added too much contact solution. Tip number 1, before you put your slime on the table, and if you think it's like not ready to be like how mine was, put contact solution on the table so it won't stick to the table as much, and put it on your hands so it won't stick to your hands as much. That's what I do. Tip number 2, take your time, because I took my time and mine worked way better than Paisley's did. Paisley just kind of like threw hers everywhere and just like, I mean, I did use like a whole bottle of contact solution. I don't know, but hers did not work, so just take your time. There you have it, guys. This is how you make giant fluffy slime, huh, Paige?
Yes.
Now make sure you subscribe down below if you want to become a UniLander, and don't forget, you
are
UniLand.